Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.